I mean, I had suffered with toothaches and, just my whole life until I started getting the implants. It was hard to chew, especially meat, you know. And so I had lost, I'd get a cavity and then I'd lose it, you know. You kind of hold your head down when you talk so they couldn't see, So I didn't smile a lot. Now I do. When I first saw my implants, and seeing how pretty they were, it just kind of made me want to cry. So I was so excited about them. I have a lot of compliments on my teeth, and everybody wants to know, if they're mine or, and I say they're implants, I guess I smiled and a few tears and, was very happy and thankful.